Hi there, hope you are doing good. So here I am with an update. So the layout of the responsive bid has been completed, almost completed maybe. So yeah, I have tried to give it a look exactly the same which you are observing of it or dealing with on website. So this is the initial layout where you can input your name if needed. If not, then we'll leave this empty, no issues. Then we'll go for the geological general information. If I'll click on this button, you'll see it will navigate me to the relevant tab. So yeah, this is the first man tab where you from where you can move. I'll click on the general information. Now I'm here, I can put the information, and then I'll be moving on to select services. Once I'll click it, I'll see the window where I can select one or maybe more than one. Once done, then the page will be directed. I'll make the further links. Let me show you from here. So this is the layout I have prepared, which is almost similar to the website link. So where you can select the checkboxes for anyone. If you will select both, it will come red. But I'm working on it so that you can only select one. So either I can give you a drop down or I can give you the box. So I just made the boxes just like the radio buttons, and then once done, then you can click on this button and then you will move on to the pricing page. Yep, sorry, this is the washing. I just added all three all together. So this is the pricing page for windows cleaning, and where you can enter one or more. The checkbox is here obviously, so it's working like same. And then it will go to the none page, which is here. So this one is here. So this is the none page. If you will click on none, it will navigate you to on this page. And then similarly for the gutters, yeah. So I think the look is exactly the same, where that you can use it just like the website. And I'll just I've just prepared the layout. Now I'll work on the conditional formatting and then formulation, the automation part, where I will link the buttons to each other tabs. And then yeah, once everything done, we'll be reaching to these values, where the input square feet will be calculated for further usage, which will be here, property information here. So you can see all the drop downs are ready. You can all the options are similar just like the website, which is where you can select one story, two story, or you can select like anything here. And this is yes or no. And here you can enter, if you will enter any text, it won't allow you, it will ask you to enter only numbers. So the validation and formatting and the coding part is in progress. So here you can enter maybe 5,000 square feet. If yes, uh, the small tweak will always be there, and we can figure those out as per your instructions. So once, if it is not, then if the user is saying he want to use a you want to provide a range, once you will click this box, it will show you the grayed out, and then you will have the box where you can select the range, whichever range you want to select for the square feet. And similarly for the next part, for the pricing part, like add-on, upsell, and basic, deluxe, or I'm not sure about, either the person can choose all of three or one or two. I'll discuss it with you so that we can figure out if they can enter one or two, or we can restrict them to use only one box, not this all three or maybe two. So yes, this is the part, all the layout has been completed with all the icons and images, and um, all the functionality part will be added now. And yes, and then the calculation will be there. So currently I'll work on the navigation thing, like clicking on button and taking it to the right page, and then I'll go for the calculation. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you have anything in mind, or you want me to do anything different, or you just want anything else. Thank you.